Yo YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, I have a brand new Jordan 1 brought over or sent over by our good friends from Sole Republiq. So this is a Jordan 1 that I talked about in my previous vlog where I talked about Jordans that are interesting for the summer. And it looks like this is one of the pairs that I really like. This is my unboxing of the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. Now, apart from the Jordan 1, we are also going to check out two awesome human-made products. So those who don't know, human-made is a brand founded by Nigo, the same guy who put up Bape. And I'm in a very human-made mode right now, as you can probably tell with those boxes over there at the back. And even those steel trays by over there at the bottom are also from the brand Human-Made. And I'm a coffee lover. I love drinking coffee. And so I went out and bought a couple of coffee mugs from Human-Made, which I'll share with you also in today's episode. So if you're excited, keep on watching. Let's go. Now, before we get started, guys, please do give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Hit the like button. Comment what you think of the shoe. I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. With that out of the way, tara, let's get to the unboxing. And let's just set the stuff aside so we have space for the box. So if we pop the lid open, you have the usual tissue paper and then whoo-hoo! Bam! Guys, take a look at that. This is it. This is the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. So it's wow. So you have this, I don't know if it's suede. It's very light suede material that they used for the blue color along the sides of the shoe. You have the wing Air Jordan logo over here. You have that nice gray color for the swoosh, as well as here along the collar. When it comes to the tongue tab, it has Nike Air logo in blue. And it does come with white laces, but you can swap it out for the dark blue laces. Man, this looks really nice. So as you can probably imagine, this is really primarily like a summer type of shoe because suede doesn't lend itself well to, you know, rainy season. And at the same time, summer outfits just really go well with light colors like this one. So it's a really nice looking classic sneaker. I think this will go on to be one of the more favored ones in terms of resale value, in terms of appeal. In fact, just taking a look at StockX now, apparently they're selling this for like $400 to $500+ over 20,000 pesos resale for this one. Insane. Now, the good news is, by the way, so this isn't my size, which kind of sucks. I would want to have one. If you guys missed my video where I talked about Jordans that I wanted to own for the summer, this was actually something that I was keen or at least looking into buying. Now, the good news is, I don't know if you watched my previous video. I did an unboxing of this, which is the Yeezy Foam Runner. By the way, link down below to the video of this one. And I ended up buying two pairs. So there was a good soul out there in the world who agreed to trade for my brand new Yeezy Foam Runner for a size for me of the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. So I will be doing a follow-up video on this shoe soon when I get the size 13 pair. And I will be doing an on feet when that happens. So super excited. But again, shout out, thank you very much to our good friends from Sole Republiq Philippines for sending the shoe over so I can feature it and unbox it for you all today. Let me know what you guys think of the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. Is it a cop? Will you buy it for resale? Are you willing to pay the resale price, 20,000 pesos for this shoe? Hit the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Would love to hear from you. Now, as promised, we have two more items that I'm going to unbox for you guys. One of the brands that I really love, especially recently, is Human-Made. So it's the brand by Nigo, same guy who founded Bape. I'm actually hoping that he never gets around to selling Human-Made because I really like the aesthetic and the overall vibe of the brand. So these two mugs were actually from our good friends from Foot Soldier Manila. So Darrell, bro, maraming salamat. I appreciate you. He was able to hook me up with these mugs to add to my Human-Made collection. One in blue and one in white. So I'll leave a link down below to Foot Soldier Manila in case you guys wanna follow them and see what they have. So nice. It's a simple mug. It's a really simple mug. You just have Human-Made with the heart logo. It says over here, the future is in the past. And then you have that other logo that they have here at the bottom. It's just a really nice red outline for the top. Just something for my coffee. And by the way, if you take a look at the handle, it's actually, it looks like half of a heart. It's not just your typical, you know, closed loop. It's elongated a little bit to make it look like a heart. So this is the white-red version of the mug. We have one more mug over here. So buksan natin siya. This one is, woo, sweet. This one actually matches the, the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal in terms of colors. Diba? It really looks like it goes with it. So again, the features in the past, human-made logo, really nicely done. Human-made logo at the bottom, and then that white outline. And again, same heart-like shape, half shape for the handle of the mug. So again, brother, Foot Soldier Manila, maraming salamat. Appreciate you, Daryl. Mag-iingat ka lagi, ha? Really looks like the mug, no, that I just showed you. But anyway, so that's actually it for today's very quick vlog. I wanted to keep it sweet, simple, and short. And with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This is Carlo signing out. Hope to see you again this weekend. I'll be uploading maybe 2 more vlogs. One on Saturday, one on Sunday. So I hope you come back, check out the content. And again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give it a video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you think of the shoe. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boo. For lunch for today, we have ano ba to? Rare Food Shop Angus beef rib eye. So marinate natin, tapos cast iron pan ulit tayo. So yan, na-marinate na natin, salt and pepper lang, simple lang, 'di ba? So 2 rib eye steaks, we put it in the cast iron pan na pinainit na natin. Lagyan natin ng butter, boom.
Yes, we provide that if you order the timeline.
So guys, lunch is served. Ooh.